Hello friends, today is 2nd December and today daily law is the most improbable occurrence. In this chapter the author says the model for feeling the sublime comes in our meditation on morality. But we can train our minds to experience it through other thoughts and actions. For instance, when we look up at the night sky, we can let our minds try to fathom the infinity of space and the overwhelming smallness of our planet, lost in the lost in all the darkness. We can encounter the sublime by thinking about the origin of life on earth. How many billions of years ago this occurred, perhaps at some particular moment, and how unlikely it was, considering the thousands of factors that had to converge for the experiment of life to begin on this planet. Such what such vast amounts of time and the actual origin of life exceed our capacity to conceptualize them. And we are left with the sensation of the sublime. We can take this further. Several million years ago, the human experiment began as we branched off from our primate ancestors. But because of our weak physical nature and small numbers, we face the continual threat of extinction. We that more than likely even that happened, as it had occurred for so many species, including other varieties of humans. The world would have taken a much different turn. In fact, the meeting of our own parents and our birth hung on a series of chance encounters that were actually unlikely. Daily law is this causes us to view our present existence as an individual, something we take for granted, as a most improbable occurrence, considering all the fortuitous elements that had to fall into place. This law is taken from his book, The Laws of Human Nature. Law number 18. Meditate on our common morality, the law of death denial. Thank you.